I know this is a space you've been in for a long time and you understand really well. I want to get your take on, the AI community and how that's kind of evolved and where you see that going in the future in regards to Together and the broader industry.
AI has always been a very sort of globally connected community of researchers, scientists, engineers, inventing new techniques and sharing their inventions with the world. There is a culture of publishing there, which has even the Transformers architecture, which was done in commercial lab at Google. That paper was published and has obviously become very consequential now in terms of the current AI revolution that we have. So really, a lot of our focus is contributing to this community. We publish original research that comes out of our labs. We publish open source software, open source data sets. Our chief scientist, Sri Dao, who's really a luminary in this field, has created Flash Attention, which is a software library that improves the speed of training and inference. And it's used by everyone from sort of closed labs like OpenAI and Anthropic to open models like DeepSeek and others. It's really become a fundamental layer of how you build large-scale models today. We published a data set, which is the largest ever data set of the web for training models, called Red Pajama. Which is again used by everyone who's building LLMs today. That really reduces that amount of time they have to spend on data prep. And we, on our platform, we provide a tier, like a top tier platform really for open source models. We have 200 open source models built into Together's APIs. Anyone can sign up and start using them. And we support these deeply. We spend time understanding the architecture of each sort of model class and what is the best underlying systems for training these, fine-tuning them, and doing inference on them. And that again becomes a valuable asset for the community, that these models can now be created in one place and then really activated and productionized in another place. I feel a lot of the work that's happening around transparency and AI safety, I think results are going to come out of sort of community-driven approaches. And this is something that we are very passionate about. And we encourage enterprises and, now there are all these sovereign projects that are working on, AI and sort of sovereign resiliency. We really encourage everyone to participate in this open source movement that's happening around AI.